Most of us believe we are free. We think we make our own choices, but in reality, we are often just puppets of our own biological impulses. Every time you lose your temper, every time you procrastinate, and every time you seek validation from others, you aren't in control. Your mind is. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. Psychology calls this the lizard brain, the part of us that seeks comfort and fears growth. It is the greatest enemy you will ever face. It's the voice that tells you to sleep in when you should be working. It's the urge that tells you to give up when things get hard. To win at life, you must first win the battle inside your own head. The psychology of self-mastery. True power isn't about controlling others. It's about the silent power of self-control. In American culture, we are taught to express everything, but wisdom teaches us the power of restraint. When you control your reactions, you control the outcome of every situation. No man is free who is not master of himself, Epictetus. Think about it. When someone insults you, they are trying to steal your peace. If you get angry, you have handed them the keys to your mind. But if you remain silent, if you remain unmoved, you have won. This is psychological warfare, and silence is your greatest weapon. Building the iron mind. How do you build this mind of iron? It starts with the realization that your feelings are not facts. Just because you feel tired doesn't mean you're tired. Just because you feel like quitting doesn't mean you should. Self-control is a muscle, and most people let it atrophy. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. By choosing the difficult path, by embracing discomfort, you are rewiring your brain. You are moving from a reactive state to a proactive state. You are no longer a victim of circumstance. You are the architect of your destiny. The call to greatness. The 99% will always take the easy way out. They will follow their impulses until they find themselves in a life they never wanted. But you are here because you want something different. You want to be part of the 1% who understands that the only true victory is victory over oneself. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. Confucius. Go out there today and be the master of your mind. Don't let your emotions dictate your future. Silence the noise, embrace the discipline, and build your iron mind. Because if you don't control your mind, someone else will. If this message moved you, hit the subscribe button and join the Iron Mind. Stay disciplined. Stay strong.